Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Kitty Inu token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content coming out on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we're just going to open up our Trust Wallets. And I'm just going to let you guys know, I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer Ethereum inside of this video here. If you need to learn how to do that, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description, as well as in the comment section down below, if that is needed for you. But you're going to want to make sure that you have Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallet ready to go in order for this process to work. But once you guys have your Ethereum in your wallets and you're ready to go, all we have to do is get the contact address for the Kitty Inu token and then add it to our Trust Wallets. So I'll have a link in the description for CoinMarketCap as well. So we're going to go head over there to get the contact address. Once you guys are on CoinMarketCap here, we're just going to have to navigate down to where you see contracts, and then all the way over to the right where you see two little squares. You want to go ahead and click on those squares. It will then copy the contact address for you. Once you have that copied, we can then exit out of here, go back into our Trust Wallets. Once we're back in our Trust Wallets here, we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. And then the top search bar here, we are able to paste the contact address. We'll then see Add Custom Token here. So we're going to click on Add Custom Token. We can then leave the network as Ethereum and then just paste the contact address right beside where it says contact address here. Click on that, and then everything else will take a second to load in for you. So we'll just give this a moment to load up. Once it's done loading up here, we can go click on Save in the top right corner. And then once you have a place for your token to go, we can now head over to the exchange. So I'll have a link in the description for Uniswap. So you guys just want to head over to Uniswap, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you guys are on Uniswap here, we just want to go to the top corner where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on Connect Wallet. We will then see Wallet Connect as an option here, so you can go ahead and click on Wallet Connect. It'll then ask us to choose our preferred wallets. So you guys can use MetaMask or Rainbow Wallet if you would like, but I'm going to be using Trust Wallet in this video to show you. So we're just going to click on Trust Wallet here. Once you click on Trust Wallet there, you should get this pop-up saying Uniswap wants to connect to your Trust Wallet. So you just want to go ahead and click on Connect for that. Then you can head back over to Uniswap. Now, once you're back on Uniswap, you'll know your wallet's connected when you see your wallet address in the top corner here, as well as your balance of Ethereum right below Ethereum right here. Now, all you have to do is click on Select a Token, and then paste that same address in here that we got from CoinMarketCap. Once we do that, we'll see the Kitty Inu token pop up. So we can click on Import and then Import one more time. Now, once we have both tokens in here, we just have to adjust our slippage tolerance. Now, if you just go to the top right corner where you see the settings gear, you can click on that. And then right here, you'll see slippage tolerance. Now, most tokens you can leave on auto, but some you will have to set a distinct slippage tolerance. Now, for this token, it should work on auto, but if it does not work on auto the first time that you try it, you're going to want to change your slippage tolerance to at least 12%. Sometimes it might be higher depending on the liquidity, but I would start off with auto and then try 12%. Anyhow, once you have that set up, you can then exit out of here. Then you just have to decide how much Ethereum that you want to transfer into the Kitty Inu token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 0.25 Ethereum. It will then show me how much Kitty Inu I'll get in exchange for my Ethereum. Now, if you're happy with what you see here as your estimation, you can go ahead and click on the swap button where it says insufficient ETH balance for me. Once you guys click on the swap button there, it's going to show you your gas fees, a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your rates and things like that. If you're happy and comfortable with what you see there, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. Once you do that, you'll then see a successful transaction notice. Now, if you get that notice, you can then exit back out of here into your Trust Wallets. Then your Kitty Inu token will arrive here, usually within about 5 minutes at the most. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you how to buy the Kitty Inu token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.